Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Kodo Millet Upma, a very filling, delicious and a healthy breakfast recipe. Very easy to make and it helps in weight loss. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add half cup of Kodo millet. Dry roast the Kodo millet in medium flame for 5 minutes until you start to get a nice aroma. Kodo millet is gluten free, easy to digest, rich in antioxidants, helps with fat metabolism, body tissue repair and energy production. It's been 5 minutes and the Kodo millet is well roasted, so remove from the pan and set it aside. Now to the same pan add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add for a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons of onion chopped, 1 green chilli chopped and few curry leaves. Saute well until the onions are transparent. Now the onions are well done, so go ahead and add 3 cups of water and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Then add the roasted Kodo millet and mix it well until the water completely dries up. Now the water has started to reduce, so close it with the lid and cook for 5 minutes in low flame. Open in between and give it a nice mix and again close and cook. Now our Kodo millet is cooked well and ready, so open and cook until the water completely dries up. Now our Kodo Millet Upma is in perfect consistency, so off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Give it a quick mix and our delicious and healthy Kodo Millet Upma is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some chutney and sambar and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and a delicious breakfast recipe. So do try this Kodo Millet Upma recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.